Hey everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show you how you can simply turn off the notifications in OnlyFans. So what you want to do is go right top corner to your profile and then go to settings, and right when you're going to be in settings you're going to see here notifications, and now you just want to like turn it off or turn it on, and you just want to like turn it off or like do what you want. So again, you will go here and then just go right up corner, settings, notifications, and turning on or turning off. Thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, ask me down in the comments, and have a great day and goodbye.